Hi, hi. My name is Steve Sharblin, and today we're going to make a round tile. Yesterday we made a tile. We made a stepping stone with this baking pan I got at the dollar store. So it has a white finish. Let's take this out of the mold and see how it came out. There it is. You can use this as a stepping stone. It's white, and you can do anything you want with it. Let's put it to the side. And here's another baking pan. We made a tile with it. Let's take this out of the way. That's a tile. You can use that on I guess on the wall or on a floor or something like that. Put that to the side. With that. Today we're going to make not another stepping stone, but we're going to make a tile with it. A tile is just half the thickness of the stepping stone. So it's very easy. We have the vegetable oil to coat it so the concrete won't stick. We have white Portland cement, about half a cup, with some titanium concrete pigment. And we have the water. We have some mortar mix to seal it. And then we have a regular Portland and sand, gravel, and fiberglass, which is about 2.5 cups. And we have a thin set tile acrylic fortifier here, and water in a mixing pan. Very easy. So the first thing we do, I got these all in order, so the first thing we do, we put the vegetable oil in there, just like making a pie, only you don't need an oven. Okay, and then we get our brush here, and we brush it. Here we go, like that. Okay, and we also coat the inside of the baking pan so the thing will stick. Okay, that takes care of that. Now, we're going to add our white Portland cement. First of all, we pour the water into it, a little bit, and then we mix it with our palette knife. More. We want it a little liquidy so it pours out of the measuring cup. We're getting there. All right. Like making a milkshake. That looks good. Okay, pour that into the container. Remember, this is white Portland cement with titanium concrete pigment. Just a little bit. Boy, is that white. I'm scraping the bottom. I just want to get all of it out. I need it in the mold. I don't need it in the measuring cup. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Bear with me. Okay, that's good enough. Put that to the side with that. And then we sprinkle it around. Okay, it's fully covering the bottom of the mold. Now we're going to add our mortar mix. This will seal it. The mortar mix is dry, so I'm not worried. We just sprinkle it on. Just like that. Keep sprinkling until we cover the whole bottom of it. There we go. Now I'm not going to shake the mold anymore because I don't want to disturb the bottom portion of the white pigment. So we just spread this out here. I'll show you how we do it. How did I learn this? I worked in a concrete plant one time when I was in college. The old timer used to show me everything. But that was 40 years ago. My, how time passes. And those skills I learned a lot better than what I learned in college. Okay, now we lift down and just spread it out. Good. That's it. That's how simple it is. For this one, we'll add a little. What do I got here? Let's see. I got a little. We'll add this in. This is just a little wire mesh for a little added strength. Okay, that part's done. Let's put everything away over here. Get that over there. Get that out of the way. Now we'll make our mix. Like I said, 2 1/4. We have 2 1/4 cups of Portland cement, gray Portland cement, sand, gravel, and fiberglass. Fiberglass just a little bit. You'll add straight. Pour it into the mold first of all. That's good. Don't breathe the dust, like they say, and then mix it with a spoon. Okay, now we add our adhesive or acrylic fortifier. Pour the water into it, just rinse it out a little bit. Pour that in there. Then we mix it. We add the water. We add a little bit more water. Let me just mix this first. We're getting there. Good. Now we add some more water. I measure it by the teaspoon. I don't want to put too much water. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't need that much water. A little bit more. 2 more spoons or 3 more spoons. 1, 2. Let's see if that does it. The concrete should be like oatmeal. It shouldn't be too runny or too dry. That looks good in how we put it into the mold. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5. Bear with me, we're getting there. 6, 7, 8. We're getting there. We're getting there. Almost done. Almost done. Good, good, good. Good. That's empty. Now we get our trowel and we compress it. We don't want to disturb the bottom portion, so we're not going to shake the mold like I usually do. Just press it. This will fill in the spaces too. Don't worry, we're getting there. We're getting there. Keep trying, it's getting there. It's getting there. Don't worry. There you have it. So you're paying $10 at the store for one of these. Make it yourself for practically 50 cents. If you oil the mold, you can get 100 castings out of it. And the mold was $1. That's it. We're done. That's going to be a tile when we take it out of the mold. It's half the volume of a regular stepping stone. So we'll take this apart tomorrow and we'll see how it comes out. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye now.